Hello everyone. We will see the next topic, that is involute. Okay, how to draw involute. So this is the problem statement. Draw an involute of circle of diameter 50 mm. So circle diameter is given 50 mm, and on the basis of that we have to draw involute. This is our target. Okay. So first of all, as we have given the diameter, with the given diameter, it is necessary to draw the circle first of all. Okay, so let us we will draw the circle. I'm drawing freehand, but you have to draw with the scale. Okay, so as we have given the diameter 50, so with reference to that, first of all we will draw the circle. We'll divide into 8 equal part. Okay, so let us we will draw it. Okay, so this is the, suppose this is a circle. Okay, having a diameter 50. So diameter is 50. Let us divide this circle into 8 equal parts. Okay, it's up to you. Whatever you want, you can divide it. You can divide it into 8 equal part, 12 equal part, etc. Okay, so let us we will divide it into 8 equal parts. Okay, how to divide into 8 equal part? Rather, you can draw a 45-degree line here or here. It is divided into 8 equal part, or you can take this radius and mark it here, mark it here. Okay, again with the center this, mark it here. Accordingly it will divide into 8 equal part. Or easy method is that at an angle of 45-degree you draw the line here and here. It is divided into 8 equal part. So same, I will divide it into 8 equal part. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. Okay, now from this point 8, draw a one horizontal line having a dimension pi into d. Okay, we have given a diameter is 50 into pi, so it is, I think, 157. Okay, so I will draw, keep a scale here or drafter here, and draw a one horizontal line having a dimension of pi into d. So this distance is pi into d. Pi is having a standard value, and multiply it with the d, we will get this distance pi into d. It is in this case 157. If we multiply 50 into pi, it is 157. Okay, so this is point 8. Now, as we have divided this into, circle this into 8 equal parts, so also divide this line pi into d into 8 equal part. 157 divided by 8. So here I will approximately divide it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now to this circle from all these points, or to all these points draw a tangent to the circle, or from all these points draw a tangent to the circle. Okay, so this line is itself tangent to 8 number point. Next, how to draw? Keep a drafter here, mark a tangent. Again, keep a drafter here, mark a tangent. Keep a drafter on point number 6, mark a tangent to the circle, to the point, respective point 1, 2, 3 up to 8. Okay, so this is the tangent. I'm drawing it as a freehand. Then this is the tangent. This is the tangent. Then this is the tangent. This is the tangent. Next is, this will be the tangent. And the last one, this is the tangent. Okay, so we'll get such type of structure. Okay, very, very simple. Now, take this distance, this point, mark it as a P, P21 in the compass. Take this distance P21 in compass. Keep compass on point number 1 as a center, and mark, this is line which is passing through the one, or which is tangent to the point 1. So take this distance and mark here. So this is the point P1. Similarly, keep compass here and measure this distance P22. Keep compass on point line number 2 and mark here. Okay, so, or it may be here. So this is point P2. Similarly, from P to 3, mark this distance or measure this distance in the compass. Keep compass on line number 3. Okay, and mark here. It may be possible it will come here. This is point P3. Okay, similar procedure follow. Okay, so similar way, keep compass here, measure 4, keep compass here, measure 5, keep compass here, measure 6 up to 8, and on the respective tangent line mark the point. Okay, so ultimately we will get such a structure. Let us, I will mark it as a randomly now. This is P6, this is P5, this is P4, this is P3. Okay, and pass the curve through all these points with the help of French curve. And this is nothing but involute. Okay, so let us, and this is the starting point. Okay, so this is starting point. Again, this will be the curve. Next, it will pass through here. Then next, we'll go here. Next, as I'm drawing by freehand, so it may be possible it will not come that much smooth. So, but you have to draw it with the help of French curve. Definitely it will come smooth. Okay, so this is the curve. Okay, this curve is nothing but involute. Only this curve should be a dark, all remaining lines, construction line should be a faint one, because this curve is your answer. Okay, it is called as an involute. Okay, now next we will see cycloid. Okay, let us we will see cycloid. Just a minute. Okay, so let us we will see new point, that is cycloid. So this is the problem statement. Draw a cycloid of rolling circle of diameter 50. So diameter is given, and with reference to this diameter, we have to draw cycloid. Okay, so let us we will draw it. First of all, we will draw a circle of diameter 50. Okay, so let us I will draw it. Okay, so this is the circle I have drawn by freehand. So let us divide this circle into 8 equal parts. Okay, name it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, then mark one horizontal line from point number 8 having a dimension of pi into d, similar to the involute. Okay, so let us we will draw one horizontal line. Okay, so this is point 0.8. This distance is nothing but pi into d. Okay, so this is pi into d. In this case, it may come 157 mm. Okay, now from this point also, from point number 4, mark one horizontal line parallel to this line. And complete this rectangle. As we have divided this circle into 8 equal parts, also divide this line into same 8 equal parts. So I will divide it randomly. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now draw a vertical line from this. Draw a vertical line from this all 8 points. Okay. Next, I will draw the vertical lines. Okay. Now, as these are the circle point 1, 2, 3 up to 8, Also draw a horizontal line from these all points. Okay, so this is 8 number horizontal line. Then next is 1 number horizontal line. So it may be possible it will go from same point because I have drawn this randomly. So this 1 and 7 should be in one line. Okay, so this is point 1 and 7 line. This is 2 and 6 line. Then this is 3 and 5 point line. Okay. Now with the next step is, so this is, we will mark it center point as this is C1, this is C2, this is C3, this is C4, this is C5, this is C6, this is C7, this is C8. Okay, now with this is C point, and this is P. Measure the distance C to B, or it is also known to us, it is 25 because diameter, whole diameter is 50, so it will come 25. Measure this distance in compass, or take this distance in compass with C1 as a center. Mark, cut a line, horizontal line passing through point number 1, because we have taken this CP distance in the compass. This is the center line which is passing through the point 1. So with the C1 as a center, cut a horizontal line which is passing through 1. So this is the distance, it will cut here. Okay, it may be possible it will cut here. Okay, next, same distance, but keep compass on point number C2 and cut the line which is passing through point number 2. Okay, so again it may be possible it will come here. This is P1, this is P2. Next, same radius distance is there. Keep compass center at point number C3 and cut the line which is passing through point number 3. This is the point number 3. This is the horizontal line which is passing through 3. So it may be possible it will cut here. So this is P3. Similar way, same distance, and with the center as a C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, mark the arc on the respective horizontal point line. Okay, so it will come here. Then this is the P4. This is P5. Then maybe possible P6 will come here. Then this may okay. So as a smooth curve from the French curve by the French curve from this all point. So let us, we will join it. So this is point number 1, then 2, then this is 3. We will pass from point number 4, again point number 5, point number 6, 7, and last is 8. Okay, so this is the required curve. It should be dark. All the remaining points should be paint one. Okay, while drawing the curve, just only press the pencil. Use H grade type of pencil so that your drawing should be a clean one, and it up to the mark. Okay, so this is the required cycloid. Okay, okay, so let us we will see the new point, that is spiral. Okay, so how to draw the spiral? So this is the problem statement. Draw an Archimedean spiral of radius 80 mm for the one convolution. So this is the radius which is given. So diameter is 160. Okay, so draw first of all a circle having a radius of 80. So let us we will draw it. Okay, I have drawn it randomly. Okay, so this is the center line. Okay, now divide this circle into 8 equal parts in the similar fashion which we have done earlier. Okay, so let us we will divide it into 8 equal parts. Next, okay, so name it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. Okay, so this is the radius which is given to us is 80 mm. Now, as we have divided this into 8 equal parts, so divide this radius is also into 8 equal parts. So let us we will divide it. So this is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 7, and this is last is 8. Okay, now take this distance in compass 1 to 1 for or we can mark it as O point. O to 1, measure the distance in compass, mark a arc up to point number line 1. This is one number line because this is point 1, this is point 1. Keep center of compass at point O, mark a arc which will intersect to point number 1 line. So this will come in such a fashion. So this will be a P1. Similar way, keep the compass center on point number O with a radius as a O to 2. Mark a arc up to point number 2 line. This is point number 2 line. Okay, so it may be possible it will come in such a fashion. So this is the P2. In similar way, mark all the respective points. Okay, so this is point number 3, P3, P4, this is P5, P6, then P7, and last one is P8. So this is the ending. So these are the various points we got. Pass a smooth curve from all these points with the help of French curve. Okay. So this is the starting point. Let us, we will pass a smooth curve. Okay. So this is the required spiral. It should be dark as compared to other construction lines. Very, very simple method. Very, very simple problem. Okay. So this dark curve is a spiral, Archimedean spiral. So this is the required answer. Very simple problem. Okay. So thank you so much.